It's Shuki baby. Tap the blessing and subscribe.
A lot of you would want to start businesses where you sell women accessories, especially like jewelry, caps. Now it is summer and so many beautiful things are on sale right now in China. Now, here I'm taking you through a market that has a lot of different accessories and that are beautiful, and I'm telling you the prices. I'm thinking, how much do you actually need to start an accessories and jewelry business when sourcing from China? I hope this video is able to answer that question for you, because we are taking you around the market that has the different accessories as you see in my background: hats, bags, umbrellas, jewelry, and summer bags. So you're gonna be able to find out the prices, the minimum order quantity, and as usual, I'll get you a supplier contact that I'll add to my membership channel. Be sure to subscribe so that you're able to get in touch with the supplier and talk to them directly. And I hope this video helps you to start your sourcing journey from China. Oh, how cute are these? I'm gonna find the prices for you. 50. Oh, and these umbrellas is about 50 RMBs. That is like how much dollars? That's like $9. And I don't know about you, I would definitely purchase this at around $25. So good business idea. Sister, many, how much this one? Even if you want many, they are gonna give them to you at 50 RMBs, which is just $9. So
清秀，我们走遍街上，为你挑选每寸时光，在繁华的市场里为你编织梦想。当你穿过人海，带着满载的期待，这就是中国时尚的精彩。
Listen, I don't know about you, but if I came here, I would spend every single coin of mine. I love the setting of this suppliers outlet and the different things available, like accessories for women. Now, see this cap. I would recommend the supplier if you're someone that sells aesthetics and you actually have customers, because I feel like they can give you one piece but can also give you 100 pieces. So it depends on the kind of business that you're running. But also, I've noticed that when you give them time, you're going to find unique pieces that you can actually use to grow your business and stand out and brand. Okay, let me give you an idea. Now, if you're planning to sell accessories but you want to brand them to your own name, you come to a supplier like this and pick, for example, a hat like this that has no brand name to it. It has nothing to it. And then you get your designing person to just have put your name around here. As you know, these things are not copyrighted like a song or anything. You just take it, have your name plastered on it, and it's your brand. I mean, duh. I like this. It's a cape and at the same time works as a scarf.
穿过熙攘人群，脚步轻轻踏响，琳琅货架藏着未知的宝藏。穿过熙攘人群，目光追逐光芒，彩色标签指引方向。hgchinaaccess，奇妙世界正在前方，每个角落都能有惊喜。
When making an accessories business, I didn't think of this while planning this video, but I think including scarves would be a very good idea, because people use scarves in all different seasons. And here they have very small scarves that you can use during the hot weather, and also scarves that you can use during the cold weather, or a throw-on like this.
Welcome to China. Access my guide code. The new chapter is here.
Came here at shopping, before even purchasing, they gave me this. Oh, it's a nice necklace.
Whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's
Thank you.
build it together. Holy together. Experience it together.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good quality. This one good quality.
Guarantee.
So I ask you.
Pieces.
Yeah.
Each total 13 pieces is wholesale mix. One.
Oh,
13.
13 pieces.
Yes.
Oh, you can mix different types.
Yes.
Can I choose Rings
13.
are 30.
Yes, 13.
So I can pick rings and then this
Okay, no
jewelry.
problem, no problem. It's mix.
Ah.
One.
Oh,
Then one.
nice,
Yes,
nice.
mix.
Everything different price.
Different price.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, go. Yeah. So, guys, one thing I've noticed is that shipping has good quality jewelry. Their jewelry feels heavy. I don't know about the silver, but I think because it's a big factory, if you've come shopping for jewelry in China, you definitely know shipping. So, if you want to make an order with them, I'm gonna have their contact. This is the contact of the supplier I'm gonna add to my membership channel. If you know, you know. For people that deal with jewelry, you know that when you have the number for shipping, you're really good to go. So you can get their contact in my membership channel and be able to reach out to them. They also gave me a gift and tell me what you think about it.
HG China 工厂遍布神州，质量标准严格，把关在手。客户需求，我们时刻守候，在 HG China 找到最好的朋友。HG China 供应商遍布九州，诚信经营，口碑赢得永久。一站式服务，让你无忧。在 HG China 找到最佳的源头，跟我们走，穿梭市场的洪流。
You
跟
boss.
我们走，探寻产品的心动。跟我们走，穿越繁华的街头。
By the way, Shopping has factory outlets on literally every jewelry building in China. And also, if you are someone that buys from high-end markets, they also have an outlet on APM International Mall. So you can literally easily get to them and be able to shop in person. So I hope you have subscribed to my membership channel to get this contact. And if you've subscribed to my membership channel, thank you so much.
Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn. With a vision of prosperity and hope, we invite you to be a part of this journey of growth. In this land of ancient wisdom and modern dreams.
For this market to work for you, you need to look. You don't just walk in and then you're purchasing, because it is sourcing and you're sourcing for your business. Okay, you're gonna get good prices and products that you can actually maximize on profit on by looking around to find something unique that stands out to you and your brand and stands out for your business, because everything on display is just normal, but when you look, you find someone that has something unique. So I hope while you're starting your business, you refer to this video and share it with a friend that wants to start a jewelry business. Ooh, it's so cute.
Welcome to China. Access my.
This shop has a very good aesthetic. When you come in here, you feel like you definitely need to grab something from here. I hope you all can pick an idea on how to create your own shop. Thank you. You're welcome.
Ooh, wow. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it together. Holy Zakai. Expand it to connect every head.
You do not start and expand your business by being stingy. You grow your business by investing and working with people that are reliable. Now, that is where we come in. If you need someone that is going to source for you, like as if you're in China, we do that. And when you come to China for a business trip and you want to save time and money, reach out to me and we shall take you around markets at a very affordable rate. Our email is in that description. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, okay. Oh, 21. Oh, 21.8. 18.8. 35.8. This 23.8. you could come to this place and get about 10 pairs or even more with just $50. And the quality of the earrings in this place I really like. They have really very beautiful nice earrings. The quality is very good and also the designs are good. They have like stainless steel, good quality silver stainless steel, and the price is really fair, to be honest. I would shop here the whole day. I found a lot of pieces that I like. And yeah, I hope when you're sourcing for jewelry in China, you can check out the supplier definitely for the best good quality jewelry.
Welcome to China. Access my guide code. The new chapter is here. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together.
This market is literally a hub for everything accessories, even though it's mostly known for jewelry if you know Taikang jewelry. But when you come here, you're gonna get a lot of accessories. For example, here there is a supplier for glasses. I like this. It reminds me of Sabrina Carpenter. What do you think? Anyway, I'm finding the supply a bit expensive because a pair of glasses here is 20 RMBs. Even though, I don't know, what do you think? What do you think about the quality? Is this worth it? 20 RMBs? 20 RMBs is like $3. Would you get this for $3? Let me know in the comment section. I think these are simple bags that you grab. You leave them by the door and you grab them just in case you have an evening quick walk, or you're just gonna go buy groceries and you just need somewhere to keep your phone and a little bit of cash. That's if you use cash in your country, because in China we don't use cash like that.
HG China 工厂遍布神州，质量标准严格，把关在手。客户需求，我们时刻守候，在 HG China 找到最。
I know this building is not giving aesthetics, and when you come here, you might have some doubts and don't think that you're going to get the kind of products that you're looking for. But trust me, when you give this wholesale market time, you're going to find unique products that are actually high quality. And if you're not someone that is looking for cheap stuff, but you're looking for good quality stuff, remember that in China, the quality of the product will always match its price. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and see you on my membership channel for the supplier contact.